The EXCaliberPC 2025 MSI Raider is about to change the game for anyone who's ever struggled with laggy performance, mediocre visuals, or endless software updates. Imagine having a computer that can handle the most demanding tasks with ease, rendering stunning visuals and delivering lightning-fast response times. That's what you get with this behemoth of a machine. With its mind-blowing specs, this system is designed to take your productivity, creativity, and gaming experiences to new heights. Let's dive into some of the standout features that make this PC so incredible. First up, we have the display. This 18-inch UHD Plus panel boasts an impressive 3840 by 2400 resolution at a blistering 120 Hz refresh rate. That means you'll get silky smooth visuals and razor-sharp details, perfect for gaming, video editing, or simply enjoying your favorite movies. But what does it all mean? Simply put, this display is like having a high-definition TV on your desktop. You'll notice every pixel is crisp and clear, with vibrant colors that pop against the screen. And with HDR support, you can expect breathtaking contrast and depth. Next up, we have the graphics card. This isn't just any ordinary GPU, it's the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080, packing 16 GB of DDR5 memory. That means this beast of a card can handle even the most graphically demanding games and applications with ease. You'll experience unparalleled performance, stunning visuals, and seamless gameplay. But how does it all come together? The Intel Core Ultra 9 processor takes center stage, boasting an impressive 24-core configuration. This baby can hit frequencies of up to 5.5 GHz, making it perfect for tasks that require speed and efficiency. With a whopping 36 MB of Intel Smart Cache, you'll enjoy lightning-fast performance and reduced loading times. Now let's talk memory. This PC comes equipped with an impressive 64 GB of DDR5 RAM, split into two 32 GB modules. That means you'll have plenty of headroom for multitasking, streaming, or running resource-intensive applications. But storage is also crucial. The EXCaliberPC 2025 MSI Raider comes with a whopping 4 TB of storage, featuring both a 2 TB PCIe 5.0 NVMe SSD and a 2 TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD. That's plenty of space for your files, programs, and operating system. Now, let's not forget about the operating system and warranty. This PC ships with Microsoft Windows 11 Home, ensuring you'll have access to the latest features and updates. And with a comprehensive 1-year MSI USA warranty that includes global coverage, you can rest assured you're protected in case anything goes wrong. But what really sets this PC apart is the package as a whole. You get it all for an unbeatable price, making it an incredible value for anyone looking to upgrade their gaming or productivity setup. In conclusion, the EXCaliberPC 2025 MSI Raider is a game-changer. It's a machine that can take your performance, visuals, and overall experience to new heights. With its incredible specs, impressive display, and lightning-fast performance, this PC is sure to leave you breathless. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below to get your hands on one today.